How would you like to make $1,000 for just 1 hour of work? Hey, it's Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com, and in this video, I'm going to teach you the 4 different ways that you can do that you can put in an hour's worth of time and make $1,000 or more for that hour's work. Now, here's the thing, guys. I am about as real can be, and I'm not going to lie and say that the very first time that you do this, it's going to be an hour's worth of work and you're going to make $1,000. Absolutely not. That's something that you work up to, that you can get to. If you put in the work, you learn the skills and you take action. But I'm going to give you the steps, exactly what you should be doing, so that when you actually do take action and you get good at this, it's boom, it's money in the bank for just an hour maybe of work. It's awesome. Now, this is 100% focused on affiliate marketing. Why? Because you can make really good money with it and you don't have to actually produce any of the products yourself, which takes a lot of time and customer service, all that kind of stuff. So we're focusing only on affiliate marketing with this. Now, the ground rules. If you want to make big money, well, you're not going to be working with like Amazon associates and physical products. Why? Because you're going to make only like 5 to 7% of a sale when you do that. Think about it. If you have a $100 purchase, so you have an offer for $100 and someone makes a purchase with that. If it's a physical product, you make $5-7. Well, that's nothing to write home about. You have to make a lot of sales to get any significant type of income. Now compare that to if your offer is a digital product for $100, where you're making 30 to 50% commissions. Well, off of that one sale, you can make $50. Hey, that ain't bad. Would you rather make $50 or $5? Not that difficult to understand, folks. You need to work in the digital product space if you want to get to big income like this for a small amount of work, and you want to do it as quickly as you can. On top of that, we're really going to focus on high ticket sales, high ticket affiliate offers. Why are we going to focus on high ticket affiliate offers? Simple, math and money. Let's look at this. If you have an offer for $100, it's a digital product, and you make 50% commissions. Okay, great. You make one sale, you get $50. Well, what if that one sale, instead of being $100, it was $2,000, and you make a one-time sale of $2,000 and you make $1,000? That's 20 times the amount. That's crazy. That is how you can get really big commissions from a little bit of work, is that you just need a few sales to make really good money. Imagine popping one sale like that a day, $1,000 commission each and every single day. Boom, right? That's almost $400,000 a year. That's awesome. That's life-changing money for, 99.9% of people or something. So that's our 2 ground rules. 1, that is a digital product, and 2, that is a high-ticket offer. If you need to know more about what that looks like or need references on what you should be using for high-ticket offers, I'll put an info card in here so that you can jump into this next video after this, so you can get some more information and details on how high-ticket offers work and our number 1 recommendation for that. Now, the 4 strategies that you can do. Affiliate marketing, guys, it comes down to building an audience. Okay, you need people to pay attention to what you're doing. Build an audience. Then from that audience, you're going to drive traffic to your offer. So you got to take your audience members, put an offer in front of them, tell them why they need to click the link, why they need to take the next step. So you got this big old audience, and then you're going to have some of them are going to click the next step to your offer to, become a lead and start your sales funnel process for whatever your offer is. Now, if you have a great program, a great affiliate offer, that's really all you have to do is create the audience and drive the traffic. Well, that's another amazing feature of affiliate marketing. You could really, honestly, you get this process down 1 hour a day and you can make bank. You can make really big money because you're not dealing with the customer service stuff. You're not dealing with team building and product moving and all this kind of other stuff. You only are building an audience and driving traffic, which can definitely be done in an hour a day. So what are the 4 methods to do that? Well, let's start out with blogging. We have a blog. A blog was our first thing that we got started with online. It is critical to have something that you own. Well, blogging can be great for making sales. So if you learn the skill of SEO, search engine optimization, so when people look for something, they type it into Google, then your information, your article on your blog comes up. They read the article and you send them off, you drive that traffic to your offer. Obviously, when you first get started, number 1, you have to learn the skill. So you're gonna have to learn how to do the whole SEO thing. Number 2, it's not gonna take you an hour to write a fully SEO'd blog post the first time you do it. Absolutely not. But you can get there. You can write a great article, and when you leverage some different tools and maybe outsourcing some of your stuff, you can definitely do that in an hour a day, for sure. So what kind of articles would you wanna write? One of the easiest ones are review articles. These are where you can take whatever your high ticket offer is. So if it's a training course, if it's an affiliate program, whatever it is, and you could just just add, review to the end of it. And then in the blog post, you're just reviewing the program, reviewing the training, reviewing the affiliate program, whatever it is. Do it in a way that makes, the SEO gods happy. And so when people search for that thing, they're already looking to buy. They already have their credit card in hand. They're like, you know what, somebody told me about X, grapety grape. And I kind of like what I'm seeing, but I need to do a little research and look into this a little myself. So what do they look up? They look up grapety grape review. Cool. They see that, your article comes up on that first page. They read it. They're like, dang, I like what they have to say. I like this program. I like this offer, whatever. In your article, you're inviting them to make the purchase. You're telling them why they got to purchase, right? What are the benefits to them? You tell them to click the link to purchase. That's your affiliate link. They were already queued up elsewhere, right? They got interested from someone else, but they're signing, they're closing the deal with you because of that great article that you put up, and you got to rank up on Google. So that's option number one. Strategy number two is actually with Facebook, and Facebook really groups in particular. You can do some crazy stuff with Facebook groups these days. I really would never promote, networking and just trying to talk to people on Facebook that you're just going to waste your life. That can take forever. But you can leverage ads and Facebook groups to build an audience, to get them engaged, and to invite them to take the next step. I've got a good friend who's just crushed it in some high ticket affiliate offers because he's built an audience. He's built an audience successfully. He, goes into that audience in that Facebook group like once a day, makes a post, does a live, whatever, and that audience is just super, super tight with him, and it's big. It's a few thousand, and so they're making purchases left and right of really high ticket stuff because it's really, really a targeted audience for his offers, and he's really built up a lot of know, like, and trust factor. So you can do this with Facebook groups. You can also do this with ads, and you can also run ads to build your Facebook group. So there's a lot of flexibility with it on Facebook, but leveraging some paid traffic and Facebook groups is a great way to make high ticket sales. Now, I'm not saying that you just set up an ad and just drive them directly to a high ticket offer. No, you definitely need something that starts low ticket if you're driving just right from an ad on Facebook. You make it simpler on yourself. Just drive traffic to invite people to your group, and in the group is where you nurture them and you provide them lots of value. When they've built up that value, built up that know, like, and trust factor, yeah, they're open to a high ticket offer. Now, are there more paid advertising options? Absolutely. That's number three, guys. It's just paid ads in general. You can look at, Google AdWords. You can actually set up ads with Google. You can set up ads with YouTube. The same kind of thing. They're the same company, essentially. You can get in front of people's YouTube videos. You can use search traffic. So if people are searching YouTube for certain terms, your video can come up. So again, the same idea. You could take the name of the offer, the program, the training, whatever it is that your high ticket thing is, and then just add review to the end of it. You can actually set that up as an ad in Google or on YouTube. So that when people are searching to learn more about this thing, you can be the one that gives them that more information and then has a link just handed to them. Here's the link to click to purchase, and that's your affiliate link. So leveraging paid advertising is a great way to go. Paid ads are a great way, a very leveraged way to put in a little bit of work, set up your ads, maybe each and every day you're tweaking it, maybe you're adding a new variation, you're doing something. So you're not putting in much time each and every day, but you're driving traffic into an offer. Now, if you're looking to really, really do this paid traffic thing, you do want upfront low ticket, low cost item that gets people in the door and starts your funnel. So don't just throw, like I said with the Facebook ads, same concept, guys. Don't just put an offer in front of a cold audience that you're doing traffic to, your paid advertising. That's like a $5,000 offer. That's really, really unlikely to work. Instead, have a low ticket, something that's not expensive to get a qualified lead coming at you where they spent $5, they spent $10, $20, $50, and that's where you're driving traffic from your ad. You're going to get some revenue from that where you can pay for your ads. You can kind of break even from that. And then everything else, the people that go further into purchasing the high end, the high ticket stuff, that's where your profits kick in. Now, number four is with YouTube videos, and especially YouTube reviews. Same concept, right? Take the program you're doing, the program your offer is, just take the name of your offer, add review to the end, and shoot a video about it, explaining what the program is, the offer is, and really letting people have an honest, realistic look behind the scenes and have the link, ready for them that they can purchase with. And that's your affiliate link. Once you're used to doing videos, you can definitely shoot a video and have it up within an hour. And if you don't want to deal with, the after post editing stuff, just do a live video. It's even easier. It's even faster to have that out in front of your audience and have them clicking links and you making money. Plus, when it comes to YouTube, when it comes to blogging, those things in particular, yes, it may take you an hour or even, let's say 4 hours when you first first start, whatever. So it may take you 4 hours to start do a YouTube video when your very first one or something crazy. That's okay. That's okay. We all have to start somewhere. But that video, maybe you don't get a sale that very first day that you publish it, but it's going to be out there and searchable. People can find that years later, and that can continue to bring you sales down the line. So with blogging, with YouTube, you're like building up all of these assets that are working for you, bringing you new people, bringing you leads and potential sales. So the more that you accumulate, the more videos that you do, the more sales that you're making. So it's not a one for one. This is more of a passive income kind of thing where you're creating great content, you're setting it up that people can find it when they search for it. Let's say you get really, really good at doing your videos and you can shoot it and have it up in an hour. You're a pro. That's awesome. So you do that. You spent 1 hour today. Well, when you publish it, maybe you get some leads that end up as sales over the next few days from that 1 hour. That can continue for the whole next week, right? I mean, if it ranks for something that's big, that can continue for months or years. I've got friends whose channels have taken off and they've got a handful of videos that have just crazy number of views, and they've made so much money from just like one single video. One video that just took off on them, they have made hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars. So that 1 hour's work, you never know how big that's gonna get. Now, to learn more about how to master this world of affiliate marketing, even digital marketing in general and high ticket offers, trust me, it's gonna take more than just a couple YouTube videos. You wanna click the link at the top of the description so you can get our training that's gonna teach you how to go from 0 to 6 figures and above. So top link in the description, click on that as this video ends and get access. Now, please know that we are rooting for you. I'm here, I'm shooting this video for you. I wanna help you create the time freedom that you and your family deserve. So if this is the first video you're seeing of my face, then you need to subscribe. Hit that little subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications so that I can help you do that. That is what I wanna do. Help me help you. So subscribe. Again, this is Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com. The next video should be up here above my head. Head over to that one next, and I'll see you soon.